Welcome back to Cocktail Friday. Now today's cocktail is the Caipiroska. It's simple enough cocktail to make. So all we need is vodka, some lime, okay, and ice of course. Now there's different ways of making this. Some people like to build it in their glass. I prefer to do it in the cocktail shaker with a bit of ice, as it's predominantly a lot of vodka in it, so with the ice it dilutes a bit there, so you can enjoy your wine a little bit longer. Now to do this now, we have the lime, so 4 lime wedges. You put in your lime wedges. So 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now I have a little bit of lime juice as well. That's fresh lime juice there. So that's, instead of using the whole lime, you put a little bit of lime juice and then use about 4 wedges of lime then. So we muddle this in the glass, in the shaker. But as I was saying last week, you don't need to squash the life out of the lime, just enough on it just to release the juices and the oils from the skin there, okay? And then we add 60 mils, 2 ounces of vodka, so 60 mils of vodka. So it's just under 2 measures there. Okay. We add the ice. Just a quick shake. Go. We pour the whole out. We pour the whole out into the glass there. Well, you can top it up with ice there, or you can do a little wedge though, but that's your Caipiroska. Happy Friday.